from universities.
Your which university?
Chain University, CMS Business School.
Excellent, excellent. So when is your PO interview?
So it is on the 3rd November, sir.
Very good. Now, what is the degree you are studying, please?
I am doing my master's in business administration, sir,
In which subject?
in finance,
Finance. Very good.
specialization in finance.
Good. Well, then, how many people have been called from your college?
So this particular program is going for 3 colleges, sir, for Christo University, Christ University, and Jain University.
Mhm.
But from our college alone, I think around 60 students, sir. And 2 batches have already finished so far. I think almost 50 people from the 3 colleges have finished their interview. Out of that, only 2 people have gotten selected, sir.
Mhm. That is right. So now, are you good in communication in English?
Pardon, sir?
Are you good in communicating in English?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now we will start.
Yes, sir. One
Please.
second. I just turn off the fan, so 1 second.
Yeah. Varshini, your interview is on which date?
Same as
Varshini?
Kadir, sir.
Pardon?
So she
On
and me,
3rd, sir.
Third.
both of
We are from the
both-
same
Oh,
college.
that's the same college. Very good, very good.
Yes,
You
sir.
had your first interview and second interview
Yes,
also?
sir.
Very good.
No, sir, I'm waiting for my second mock.
Second mock, have I given you the date?
No, sir.
No. Why?
No, sir.
Why did you not take?
Sir, I'm still preparing. I thought I'll take it sometime later.
Which date you want? You tell me. Second, okay for you?
Yes, sir. That will be.
Second November,
Yes,
7:45
sir.
p.m. 7:45 p.m. Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
send a message to me. WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
I will note it. Varshini. I will write the name 7:45. Then Mr. What is your name?
Kadir, sir. Kadir.
Kadir. You want second interview
Yes, sir. I'll also have room a second, sir.
at 8 o'clock on second.
Okay, sir. AM or PM, sir?
Same day. 8 2nd March, November, 2nd November, 8 o'clock.
In the morning or in the evening, sir?
Evening.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Both of you come at the same time, no problem. Good. Mr. Kadir, please
Yes.
tell me about yourself.
So my name is Kadir and I was born and brought up in Chennai. All of my schooling went on in Chennai, and for my undergraduation, I shifted to Coimbatore. And I completed my undergraduation in the Bachelor's of Commerce, specialization in actuarial management. And then post my undergraduation, I have pursued my MBA in finance from Jain University in Bangalore. And apart from this, my work experience is also expansive. I have been working alongside my education from my undergraduate. So along with my UG, I was working in a company called Anveshna Clothing, and I was the manager there, assistant manager over there. And they are an online e-commerce clothing company. And I have been with them since the past 4 years, and I'm still along with them. And my mom is an English teacher, and my dad is a civil engineer. And my hobbies include reading books and traveling. And I'm a very compassionate and loving person.
Good. Now you have had 4 years experience.
Yes, sir.
What was the work you are doing there? Major work?
So my major work was managing and coordinating. Apart from that, I was also helping the company with their e-commerce platform. So they are a startup clothing company. So initially, I was helping them with the e-commerce. I was managing their Flipkart, Amazon's, Meesho, all of the profile creation, uploading the products, and managing the orders. And then during the COVID time, we were into the manufacturing of PPE kits, masks, and we were the major supplier for the Indian Medical Association. And I was handling all of all of the outsourcing activities. We had outsourced our manufacturing to around 10 stitching units outside our unit. And I was coordinating, managing all of the units by myself. And I was able to pull out almost 1,000 to 1,500 pieces per day. And right now, currently, I am working on I had created a new product vertical because there was a market gap, which we thought we will seize the opportunity. So right now, I am heading the new product vertical and I am taking our company to the international market, sir.
That means you are studying and also working for the company.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. That is good. Now, are you aware that posting for this is anywhere in India? You are going to join as a probationary officer. The posting can be done anywhere in India. You are comfortable with that?
Yes, sir.
Supposing you are posted to UP, rural area, how will you manage? How will you manage in that area?
In the
Because
rural,
you don't know
you
the local language.
true, sir. It is going to be a little difficult. I will initially figure out, take some help from some colleague over there as soon as I get there, sir. I will talk to my teammates and I will talk to my colleagues. If we are working in a similar work environment, English will be a common medium of communication. So I will initially take the help of a colleague and maybe buddy up with them so that the initial few days I can use their help to figure out and sort out and settle down. And I will slowly, over the course of time, also try and learn the basics of the language. So even when I came to Bangalore to take over my post graduation, I did not know the local dialect. I did not know Hindi, nor did I know Kannada. I only knew Tamil and English. But right now, I know a little bit of Kannada and a little bit of Hindi enough to make me manage. And within the past 6, 7 months, I was able to learn it. So hopefully, I'll be able to do the same.
Can you talk in Kannada about
Sir,
your family?
sir.
About your family, please talk a few words.
In Kannada, sir?
Yeah.
So that much I don't know, sir. So in Kannada, I can tell in 1 minute I'm coming, or ask them to wait, or just very basic Kannada, sir. Not
No,
enough for me to communicate and talk proficiently in the local dialect.
it's okay. That's right. Now, what is a bank?
So a bank is any financial is an institution that provides financial services, sir.
But normally definition is accepting deposits from the public and making advances. That should
Yes.
be the, because financial services means it may include everything, whereas bank is this thing. Apart from that, they will ask what are the other services banks are doing nowadays. Para banking services.
Para banking services. So such as insurance services, portfolio management, mutual funds.
Good, not bad. How banks are making profit?
So one of the major sources of profit is from the difference in interest rates that the banks get from receiving deposits and paying out the interest on deposits versus giving out loans. And the difference between the interest rate charged for providing loans and from deposits is one of the major sources of income. But apart from this, there are also the rent collected from the bank lockers that the bank rents out to their customers. And if the bank has any sort of debit cards or credit cards, the fees that they levy on those cards on the customers are also a source of income. And apart from this, when we look at para banking services that the bank provides, commonly on all the services provided, there are brokerages and commissions that the customer has to pay apart from the actual transaction. And these are all minor side incomes of the bank. So
Apart from that, banks invest in government securities and they get interest on that. Banks also invest in shares of other companies and they get dividend on that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Good. What do you know about Federal Bank?
So Federal Bank is one of the largest private sector banks in India, and it was founded by KP Hormus, and they're headquartered in Aluva, Kochi. And right now, the Federal Bank is headed by Shyam Srinivasan, who is the current CEO of Federal Bank. And Federal Bank has around 1,370 locations throughout India, branches throughout India. And
Now, now it is 1,408.
1,408.
You can
They
tell
have,
confidently, you can tell. But in
oh,
some places in the website, they might not have changed, but it is correct, 1,408.
okay, sir. So
Or
they
you
have,
can, or you can say about 1,400.
okay, so they have above 1,400 branches in India. And they're one of the first banks in India to pioneer the digital banking and ensure that all of their branches are digitalized.
Don't say digitalized. Instead of that, you can say our core banking solution was introduced and all the branches were interconnected. Okay, no problem. Continue.
Okay, so and in the current latest updates about the Federal Bank is that in the Q2, they saw a profit of around 854 crores. in
Wrong,
2020.
wrong, wrong. Profit was 900 plus. You are talking about Q1 results.
Okay, I think in money times they had put a net, net 854 crores and net gross
I have,
915 crores.
I am giving. I have given it to you in this material, A 2023. In this material, it is given. Please read this. Totally read it. Total business of the bank. Read.
Total business of the bank reached 4.26 lakh crores. The deposits is 2.33 lakh crores. Yes, so they had a 23% increment in the deposits. The loans and advances are at 1.93 lakh crores, and the net profit stands at 953.82 crores.
Read.
The ROA stood at 1.36 and the ROE at 15.72%. The GNPA and NNPA brought down to 2.26 and 0.64% respectively. And the bank's net worth is rupees 26,032 crores as on 30th September 2023. The capital adequacy ratio of the bank computed as per Basel III guidelines stood at 15.5% as at the end of the quarter. The Federal Bank share price as on the 27th of October 2023 was rupees 139.55 paisa. The market capitalization is rupees 338.47 billion and their equity capital is at rupees 470.32 crores.
Good. That's all. This you must by heart remember this.
Okay, sir.
Tell me what are the new points you have come to know about our bank.
About Federal Bank, sir.
Yeah.
As in, what are the latest updates? Can you just verify the question, sir? The recent news of Federal Bank.
Yeah.
So,
I have given it here itself. I have given it on top of it. If you click that and search it, you will get it. These are the news. Number one, Federal Bank launched Mukanur Mission Initiative at its founder village, 106th birth anniversary. This I have given. I have given this material. You can see it.
yes,
Then
sir.
Federal Bank extends UPI for NRIs. Then Federal Bank to stop funding for thermal power projects by 2030 official. Please read what it is.
Okay, sir.
National Bank for Open partners with Federal Bank of India. Then Federal Bank recognized among India's top 10 best workplaces for women. Then Sanjeevani, News 18 Network, Federal Bank, Hormis Memorial Foundation, Tata Trust, join hands to fight cancer. Federal
Yeah.
Bank introduces convenient credit card bill payment via Bharat Bill Payment System. Federal
Mhm.
Bank to open 100 branches in financial year 24. Federal
Mhm.
Bank, the largest private sector lender in Kerala.
Okay, sir.
Federal Bank launches WhatsApp registration for PMJJBY, PMSBY.
Mhm.
Federal Bank to offer pre-approved loans over WhatsApp. Elias George appointed as the additional director independent of Federal Bank.
Mhm.
Federal Bank Managing Director Chief Executive Officer Shyam Srinivasan has said that fintech is not a threat to banks. Federal banks to step up branch expansion, focus on green financing.
Mhm.
Federal Bank trades in green after board approves additional director appointment. You just go through this once again at home and
Yes.
get all the points.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now coming to other questions.
Mhm.
You are the manager of this, or you are being posted as a officer.
Okay, sir.
Imagine you are chief operating officer or marketing officer of a company like this manufacturing this pen. This pen has been launched by us recently in the market.
Okay,
Please
sir.
try to canvas, supposing you are talking to distributors.
A canvas that I am
Canvas to distributors.
to ask them to promote them. I didn't understand the question, sir.
You have to canvas as a marketing person
Mhm.
for this product among your distributors. What words will you tell and tell them so that they take large number of orders from you?
So first, I will tell them that I'll talk to them about the profit margins that they have with this pen compared to the other products in the market. And number two, my brand, or from my end, from the brand's point of view, there will be a lot of marketing. Hence, the demand will be racked up in the market so that distributors can use that as well. And my pen has unique selling points such as the refill and then the system that's going to be used, the nib. And these are the points that are beneficial from the other competitors compared to my pen. And
That's
also,
Yeah, you must try to speak something more like this and tell them it comes in different colors, comes in different sizes, it is priced economically. We are offering discounts to you. You must talk in such a nice way so that more points you have to tell about your product so that people are impressed and they buy it.
okay, sir. So
Good.
I'll say something like, so my pen has multiple USPs compared to the other sellers in the market. My pen comes in different sizes, different variations, and different colors. And they're also economically very low, so which gives the distributors a lot of profit margin for them, which provides them an incentive to take up the product and sell it. Apart from that, there is a well-established supply chain. So even whatever demand is there, we will be able to cope up with it for the distributors and ensure that they don't have a product at any point of time.
Good. What is your father?
So my father is a civil engineer, sir.
What is he doing?
So he passed away previously earlier this year, sir.
I'm sorry. Now, mother, homemaker,
Mom is a English teacher, sir.
English teacher. Good. How many siblings you have?
Nobody, sir. I'm the only child.
Only child. Acha, acha. Good. Now, tell me the names of 5 people who were Prime Minister of our country. Hello. Name of
So,
5 Prime Ministers. Name of 5 Prime Ministers of our country.
Sir Narendra Modi
Hmm.
and Pradeep, Pradeepa Patel and Nehru. off the top
No.
of my head, it
No,
was
no,
table.
no, no, no. It's you're not getting correctly. You're telling wrongly. Pratibha Patil was president.
Oh, Pratibha Patel was the
Doesn't you are
president.
not telling this correctly. So they will ask offhand questions like this.
Okay,
So
sir.
get to know the names of presidents, name of vice presidents, name of prime ministers, name of the chief minister of all the states in India, name of the governor of states nearby your state and other states, and name of the chairman of the bank where you are having account. Which bank are you having account?
So in SBI, sir,
SBI chairman, what is his name?
I have no idea, sir.
Dinesh Kumar Kharra.
Dinesh Kumar?
Kharra,
No.
Kharra. So
Oh,
likewise, these things also you get to know. Apart from this, go through the current affairs snippets I have given you. Go through
okay.
current affairs snippets at least from 16th of October till date, and
Okay.
also be reading newspapers till the interview date. Before going for the interview, refer RBI website and see the rates, memorize them, and then go get to know the interest rates in the SB account and deposit accounts offered by our federal bank. Prepare that and go. I'm sure you will do well. Best wishes.
Thank
We'll
you,
meet.
sir.
We'll meet again. Then at that time we will see how good are you performing.
Okay, sir. So, so now we have touched upon the overall general banking and about current affairs, sir. Could you tell me any technical questions that they might ask, sir?
That I will ask next time when you come. I will ask questions on balance sheet, questions on say double entry bookkeeping, depreciation, then goodwill, then various ratios like current ratio, debt service coverage ratio, debt equity ratio, like that,
Mhm.
all those things, and how they can be used for analyzing about the proposal. Also questions on GST, questions on income tax, like that we will ask.
Okay, sir.
Right?